Introducing the FlickCalc Scientific Calculator for Android. FlickCalc takes advantage of the unique FlickKey input method. If you don't know what that is, the FlickKey input method uses 6 flickable keys. So just press them and flick in a direction to get the number or the command that you want. So here's the app. When you first start up, you might see the splash screen, which gives you just some basic information. And then you can just flick over to the calculator. Now if you want something like the 1, you just flick down and to the left, the 2 straight down, 3 down and to the right, and I'll just quickly enter the rest of the numbers. And you can see how you can do that. Equals is down on the right in the center of the button, so you just tap that. And we can just clear out by flicking the very left button all the way to the left. FlickKey has all the basic functions of the scientific calculator that you probably expect. Plus you can do some nice things, like if you want to know how many degrees Fahrenheit it is in Celsius, you can put in some conversions down on the lower right button. You can also convert things like degrees to radians, or you also have second mode for things like arc, cosine, and hyperbolic mode. And you can switch between degrees and radians all in the lower left button. FlickKey happens to work great on smartwatches. It scales down like nothing else, but it also works well on phones too. So this is the same app, and it's got a little bit different graphics, but it's the same basic keyboard. The advantage to the FlickKey input method is that the keys are actually very large, and so you can actually touch type it once you get used to it, and it's also very quick. FlickCalc also has a nice couple line display, so you can see your calculations as you enter them, which is a whole lot nicer than some basic scientific calculators. FlickCalc will work nicely on any Android smartwatch that runs actual Android apps. Right now that's a pretty limited supply, but you can use the same calculator on your phone and hopefully your smartwatch in the future. So if you want more info, just search for FlickCalc. Also, check out the FlickKey keyboard. It's the only true touch typable keyboard out there. Plus, it works great on smartwatches. It really scales down and is both accurate and fast. And it also has a really cool 2-thumb touch typable option for tablets. Both are available on Google Play